What is going on, Pokemon fans? And welcome back to another Pokemon opening. And we have got our third mystery power box right here. So far we have not pulled a vintage pack, but we are still hopeful. We are still hopeful that we might pull a vintage pack, which will be so awesome if we do. So, without further ado, let's cut right into this and let's see if we can pull a vintage pack, guys. Alright, so here it goes. Just gotta get this plastic over the top of the box. There it goes. There it is. Right there. So we are gonna open it like so. And we are gonna start with, if I can get it out, the front pack, which is a Primal Clash pack. Okay, so let's get our other packs out. And I got two packs out. Hey, wow, we got two Roaring Skies in this one. This is awesome. Furious Fist and a Furious Fist. Nice. So no vintage pack. Alright. Put that off to the side. So our coin is a Xerneas coin. Alright. And this time we have gotten two Roaring Skies and only one Primal Clash, which is awesome. So because Primal Clash is literally out of print until May, I'm assuming, well, not really assuming, but you know, they only can do with whatever they have, yeah. MJ Holdings. So here it is. We're gonna keep the Roaring Skies for last because Roaring Skies is awesome. Alright, I think I hit my camera. I don't know. Okay. So apparently my camera cut off right when I was about to grab the packs to start opening, but luckily I noticed it right away. So sorry for that, guys. But yeah, you'll notice a little cut. You may not. So let's get on with the opening. So Furious Fist. That's what we're gonna start off with. Is the Fist of Fury. So 3 cards in the front, and we have gotten the Dene, Mienshao, Jaw Fossil, Trapinch, Pancham, Torchic, Clefairy, a Pikachu, a reverse Cubchoo, and the first rare is a Glaceon, which is not bad actually. Okay, nothing in Fist of Fury. On to Primal, a Primal Mammals. Alright, so go down 3 cards in the front, and we start off with a special energy, Grovyle, Scarnivore Spirit Link, a Weedale, Dynamo, Corfish, Vulpix, Tentacool, a reverse Ludicolo, which is a rare, nice, and a Macargo. Okay, so we're 0 for 2 right now. On to the next and last first fist of this box. Let's see what this pack yields for us today. Hopefully it can be better than the first one. Okay, so we have got a energy switch, Hitmontop, Tool Retriever, Pluso, Clefairy, Eevee, Electabuzz, Gothita, a Blaziken reverse rare. Nice, we got 2 reverse rares back to back. And the rare is a Drapion. No. So far, we are all for 3 besides getting the reverse rares. Come on, Ryan's Guides, show me the love. Where is the love in this pack, I hope? Okay. So, 3 cards in the front. And here we go, guys. First Ryan Skies of this box. We got Steven, Silcoon, Healing Scarf, Cascoon, Meowth, Binacle, Gligar, Shuppet, a reverse Dragonair, and the rare is a Togekiss. So no love in that pack. Oh boy, could this be the worst box that I've ever had so far? Ah, come on, let's go, Royal Skies. Don't fail me now. Alright. Here goes nothing. So cold off to the side. And then 3 cards in the front. Okay. Alright. Here goes the final Roaring Skies pack. And we have got a Fletchender, Wide Lens, Shelgon, Pikachu, Pidove, Bagon, Tailo, a Wurmple, a reverse Meowth, and the final card of this mystery power box is a Rayquaza EX. So we got 1 EX out of the box. I mean, I guess this is your average box unless you get nothing. But so far, hey, at least we got an EX, man. I can't complain about that. So here it is, guys, the Rayquaza EX as the only pull that I've got out of this mystery power box. But hey, it's a good one nonetheless. At least we got an EX. So that is all for today, guys. I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. If you have, please leave a like. If you did not, leave a dislike. And if you are new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button, guys, for more Pokemon openings. And that is all for today, and I'll see you guys later. Bye.